Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all are well and safe at home. Be healthy and safe. Welcome back. Kids, we are going to learn lesson number 5, numbers from 51 to 100. We will learn spike abacus clearly. Spike abacus. We already learned in 4th chapter what is spike abacus. Then in this chapter we will learn clearly. Also we will learn number names, number and figures, ones place, tens place and hundred place, on abacus. And last one we will learn arrange the number in order and circle the greatest number and the smallest number. See, listen. Spike abacus, number names, number in figures, ones place, tens place and hundred place on abacus. Arrange the number in order and circle the greatest number and smallest number. Firstly, we will learn numbers from 51 to 100. That is number names. We already learned 0 to 50 in earlier classes. In this class, we will continue 51 to 100. F-I-F-T-Y, 51. 52, F-I-F-T-Y, 50, T-W-O, 52. And 53 and 54, 55, 56, 57 and so on, 59. Last is 60. What is the names of 60? X-I-X-T-Y, 60. S-I-X-T-Y, 60. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58 and 59. After 59, that is the number 60. What is the spelling of 60? S-I-X-T-Y. Now next to 61. What is the spelling of 61? S-I-X-T-Y, 61. And continue the writing. 62 and 63, 64, 66 and 69. And after 69, 70. Spelling is 70. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y, 70. 70. 17. What is the spelling of 17? S-E-V-E-N-T-W-E-N, 17. That is 17. Here 70. Spelling is S-E-V-E-N-T-Y. Okay, now 70. 71. What is the spelling 71? S-E-V-E-N-T-Y, 70. O-N-E, 171. 72. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y, 70. T-W-O, 2. Now and continue writing 73, 74, 75 and so on. 79. After 79, we have 80, 80. What is the spelling of 80? E-I-G-H-T-Y, 80. E-I-G-H-T-Y, 80. 80, 80. Then 81. E-I-G-H-T-Y, 81. Now 89. E-I-G-H-T-Y, 80. N-I-N-E, 9. After 89, 90, 90, 90, N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90. N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90. And after 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. After 99, we have 3-digit number, that is 100. 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 100. 100. 1, 0, 0. 100. O-N-E-1. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 100. It is the smallest 3-digit number. Smallest 3-digit number. 100 is the smallest 3-digit number and 99 is the greatest 2-digit number. 2-digit number. 99 is the greatest 2-digit number and 100 is the smallest 3-digit number. Our topic is abacus. Abacus of 51 to 100. As we know that 51 has 2-digit numbers. 2-digit number. 51. 1 digit, 2 digit. According to the digits of number, we have to draw spike. Here 51 has 2 digits. So we have to draw 2 spikes, 2 rods and mark it T for tens and O for ones. This is ones place. This is tens place. Now we have to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In ones place, which number? 1. So we have to draw 1 page. This abacus represent 51. 51. In tens place, which number came? 5 came. So we have to draw 5 beads on the tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or in ones place, which number? 1 is the ones place number. So we have to draw 1 beads. Next one is 84. How to represent 84 on the abacus? 2 spikes, tens, ones. Then in tens place we have 8. So we have to draw 8 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In ones place, which number came? That is 4. So we have to draw 4 beads on ones place. This abacus shows which number represent? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. That is 84. One more number, that is 93. 93. 93, how many digits are there? 1, 2. 2 digits. So we have to draw 2 spikes and mark it tens and ones In tens place, which number? 9 is the tens place number. So we have to draw 9 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In ones place, which number? 3. So we have to draw how many beads? 3 beads on ones place. So this number is 93. 93. 93. Okay kids, we have one more question. One more question, that is 76. 76, 2 spikes, tens, ones. In tens place, 7 number came, so we have to draw 7 beads. 4, 5, 6, 7. In ones place, 6 came, so we have to draw 6 beads. 4, 5, 6. This is 76. 76. Now we have classwork. Classwork on your textbook. Page number 93, 94, 95 and 96. 96. This is your classwork. Our next topic is numbering figures. Numbering figures. Figures. First question is 79. Question number 2, 67. Third number 91. Fourth number 58. Fifth number 85. See, listen. You have to write number names given. You have to write numbers in figures. Numbers in figures. First question 79. In tens place, which number? 7. 70. 79 and 79. Second question 67. What is the tens place number? 60. Or in ones place 7. What is the number? 6, 7, 67. 91. In tens place 9 and ones place 1. Number is 91, 91. 58. In tens place 5 and in ones place 8. The number is 58, 58. Last number, see, 85. In tens place 8 and ones place 5. The number is 85, 85. Kids, now next topic is think and answer. Just observe the numbers given on the abacus and say which number is greater, which number is smaller and which numbers are equal. Tens, ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. Tens, ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. See, greater than and equal to. You have to write smaller than, greater than, equal to in the given box. Here which is the number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 1, 2. 62. Then count the beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 in tens place and 1, 2, 3 in 3 in ones place. So the number shown on the abacus, first abacus is 62 and another is 83. So which number is greater number? 62, 83. Which number is greater? So it is greater number. 83 is greater number. So we have to write greater symbol. 62 is smaller than 83. Kids, we have one more question and observe it and write the answer. Tens, ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tens, ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See question number 2. Count the beads in tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So write 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First number is 75. See the next abacus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The next abacus shows 58. Which number is bigger? 75 is bigger than 58. So we have to put this symbol. Understood, kids? Abacus. Now we have 3-digit number. How to represent 100 3-digit numbers on abacus? Suppose we have 100. We have the number 100. How to show 100 on abacus? As we know that in 100, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3 digits. 3 digits. So we have to draw how many spikes? 3 spikes. Okay. Then first spike shows hundreds place and second spike tens place and third one is ones place. 100, tens, ones. So in 100 place which number? 1 number. So we have to draw 1 bead. In tens place and ones place, see the numbers are 0. So keep the spike as it is. The number shows 100. No beads on tens place and ones place. Understood? Now we have one more question. 323. 100, 3 spikes, 100, tens, ones. 3 digits are there. 3, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 digits. So we have to draw 3 spikes. And in 100 place, which number? 3. 1, 2, 3. In tens place, which number? 2. So we have to draw 2 spikes. And in ones place, again 3 came. So we have to draw 3 spikes. This abacus shows 323. Understood? We already learned 2-digit numbers on abacus. Now in this chapter, we will learn 3-digit numbers on abacus. See how to represent 3-digit numbers on abacus. In 100, first number is 1 and 2 numbers are 0. So we have to draw 1 bead on hundreds place and tens place and ones place. No beads. That means 1, 0, 0. Next number 323 in 100 place 3. So we have to draw 3 beads, and in tens place 2 beads, and ones place 1, 2, 3 beads. That is the number is 323. Clear? Now you have classwork that is 5.1 and 5.2 in textbook. 5.1 and 5.2 in textbook. Our next topic is arrange the number in order, that you already learned in 4th chapter, that is ascending order. Then we have to circle smallest number and greatest number. Arrange the numbers in order. First one is 35, 21, 56, 93, 85. These are the group of numbers we have to arrange in order. We have to arrange these numbers orderly. First one, we have to pick out smallest number. Which is the smallest number? 21 is the smallest number. Next number 35, and next 56, and next one is 85 and 93. This is the order wise pattern: 21, 35, 56, 85, 93. So we have to circle the smallest number with the blue color, and greatest number with the red color. Here 21 is the smallest and 93 is the greatest number. See the question number 2. 45, 63, 92 and 100. First you pick out the smallest number. Which is the smallest number? 45 is the smallest number. And next number 63, next 92, and last one is 100. This group of numbers we arrange in order wise. So we have to write as it is. Then circle the digit, smallest digit with the blue color and greatest digit with the red color. Understood? Now we have homework on worksheet. Worksheet, that is page number 34, 35 and 36. This is the homework that is on the worksheet.